Hello and welcome back to to Music with Mr. Day, working with rhythms, lesson 2, part 2. That's right. We're in part 2 right now. If you haven't seen part 1, please go back to, or you could actually click on my homepage for my YouTube stuff. You can see all my music or all my lesson videos, and you can go to lesson 2, part 2 of this working with rhythms. It's going to be a lot of fun. Uh, Now, if you remember from where we left off, we were right here. Oop, 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 oop. Well, we were kind of here. Let me get back to the one that we were at. We were at this one, this really hardcore one. Um, just for to remember, let's go ahead and play it one more time from our lovely ping one. Nice. So that was the rhythm that we heard from the last video, and I left you guys on a cliffhanger for. You guys don't know what it might be. The Let's go ahead and listen to it 2 more times, and then we'll try to figure out what we think it might be. All right. With that, what do you guys think? I think it's this one, or this one. It's a toughie. I'd probably say this one. Right, we have a dance break too. Nice drum. That was correct. Very, very nice. It's a really, really fun game. It's got a lot of good twists and a lot of turns. Let's keep on going. These are getting a little bit more difficult, a little bit longer. Let's keep on trying to test our skills here a little bit. All right, listen in for the ping one. All right, listen to it one more time. Listen to it one last time. All right, let's see. What do you guys think it might be? Do you think it's this bottom one, this middle one, or this top one? I'm gonna listen for you guys who are yelling through your screen. I heard it. I heard someone say the top one. Dance break. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so much fun. Okay. Really nice job. Really nice job. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Okay. Listen in for the penguin. It's a tough one. That's a tough one. Okay. Listen to it one more time. Hmm. Let's try it one more time. Hmm. Okay. Now I know that the beginning sounded a lot like this, but it changed, or at least it was different than this second part. Hmm. Which one do you guys think it was? This top, middle, or this bottom? I think it was the middle. Nice. Really nice job. Okay. Well, let's do one last one. The ultimate test. This one. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let's listen into the penguin. Mm-hmm. Okay. let's listen to it one more time. Okay, okay. Let's try it one last time. All right, all right. I'm gonna let you think. Think hard for this one. What might it be? Hmm. I'd probably say stop one. Nice, good job. Okay, really nice job. That was perfect. That was a really fun game. Say goodbye to Mr. Penguin. Bye, Mr. Penguin. Okay, he's out of here. All right, really nice job. So now we're really building up our ability to say tickety, as well as hearing it too. The both with our both from our speaking game and from Mr. Penguin. We're doing pretty good. We're making some pretty good progress. With that, I've got another game for us. This one is going to be a good test. All right. So this game is very similar to the ones that we've played back at school for my kids at Parkway Elementary. For those who are just here to watch. Oh my goodness! I believe that we've had dogs bark in every video. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Um, so let's say so for this game, for those who haven't gotten to play this, we have a poison rhythm. This is the poison rhythm to be exact. The We're going to have a different rhythm displayed on the screen um, every time that we click forward, and one of those rhythms might be this one, and we have to remember this one because if we say it, then we get poisoned. Ew. The So we don't want to say it during that thing. Before each slide, I'll give us 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll say the rhythm together. But if this poison rhythm, if this one comes up, when I say 5, 6, 7, 8, we have to stay quiet because that one's the poison rhythm. Okay, let's give it our best shot. Okay, here we go. First of all, let's practice this poison rhythm together, just so that we can get it so we can get it memorized in our heads. All right, I'll give us 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety tee tee tickety ta. That's the poison rhythm. Let's practice it one more time so we can get into our heads. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety tee tee tickety ta. Nice, nice. One last time just so that we can really get it in there. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety tee tee tickety ta. Nice, really nice job. Okay, then let's begin. Okay, this is our first rhythm. Doesn't look too poisonous, so let's go and get right on into it. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta ta tickety ta. Nice, good job, good job. Let's keep it going. All right, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety tickety tee tee ta. Nice, nice. That's not a poison rhythm. Let's keep it going. All right, all right. You guys ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Did any of you say it? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh no. Okay, I thought that was the poison rhythm. My bad. Let's keep it going. Let's do this rhythm together. That's my bad. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety ta, tickety ta. Nice. That is not the Poison rhythm. My bad. Okay, here we go. Nice rhythm. Let's go ahead and give it a try. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety tee tee tickety ta. Nice, nice. What? Was that the Poison rhythm? Well, I'm out. Ah, that's my bad. I said the Poison rhythm. Goes to show you that even you guys are much better at memorizing than me. Okay, I got poisoned. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Okay, let's try and continue. And I'll try not to get poisoned next time. Okay, here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, 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 ta. Nice, nice. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. In 5, 6, 7, 8. T, 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 tickety, ta. Nice. All right, let's keep it going. Ooh, got some 16th notes here. Nice, nice. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ticka, ticka, ta, tickety, ta. Nice, nice. Let's keep it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety ta, ticka ticka ta. Nice. Keep it up, keep it up. In 5, 6, 7, 8. That was the Poison rhythm. Oh no. I didn't fall for it this time. Let me know if you got poisoned. And you'll get an F in this class. No, I'm just kidding. No. But no, tell me if you got poisoned. It's a funny one. Okay, let's keep it going. All right, got a half note. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta tick tick tick. Oh! I am so sorry. Oh, we got into the. Okay. Actually, we're gonna call it here. We haven't learned this rhythm yet. It's very similar to this one, but that one would be in our next unit. My apologies. Let's go ahead. You guys did perfect. If you got poisoned like me, it's all good. We'll survive. We'll survive that poison. Sometimes you get poisoned. Sometimes you don't. Anyways, really nice job. I've got one more really fun activity here for you guys. Boom, 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 boom. I just have to find it. It's actually in here. Here we go. Oh no, that's not it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I keep on losing my mind here. Ah, there we. No, that's Furthermore. Okay, you know what? We'll do this one instead. Let's make it a little bit faster on this. Bing, bada, boom. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. This is just a nice little review one that we'll get to try out here. That is really fun. I will see you guys in the next part. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Sorry, it took me a moment to find that one. We'll go ahead and get into it here in just a moment. Other than that, I will see you guys in part 3. We're almost done here with this lesson. It's gonna be super fun. Okay, see you guys, part 3.